Hi everyone, Melissa here. Today I'm gonna be doing a nice simple design that has, I'd say, kind of a ocean color story kind of feel. Man, I've been really loving these nice simple designs lately, partially because, the simple designs that don't take up all of your time and you can just knock out are really helpful to me lately with how much I've had going on. But also because I feel like sometimes I just love the idea of doing a design that's really color driven more than concept driven, which is what this is today. So yesterday I did sorting of colors that I've had. So I have this habit of when I get colors in, because I just have so much going on, I don't have time to sort everything out and I'm kind of running out of space. Colors all get thrown into a box and then I search through the box if I'm looking for a color, and it's really inconvenient. And I was getting sick and tired of searching through the box. So I actually sorted my colors out yesterday. It took some time. My amazing daughter helped me. She had so much fun with it. But because I did that, I came across some colors that I kind of hadn't, well, not that I hadn't seen, but that I didn't remember I had. I know that's bad, but there are quite a few of them. So I think I'm going to be doing some designs with some of these colors that, I just kind of saw and I had this like, I need to use that kind of moment with them. This was one of them. This is Neptune by CN designer Dipp'd, and it is just so beautiful, and it's this kind of very like summery, oceany vibe. It's got this green and blue and just a hint of like coral and gold. It's gorgeous. So I picked out some colors that I love with it. I have Cobalt from Cascade Colorworks. It has kind of like a purple feel right here, but it goes on to a nice, really deep cobalt blue. And then this is actually a new color from Dipp'd that's coming out soon with her Shot in the Dark collection. They're all glow neon colors. And this is a beautiful, kind of like an aqua teal. I'd say it's more, it looks really blue here. Yeah, I don't know. It might be a nice right in between. Swatched, it kind of looks like I could see more green in person. I don't know, either way. It's so pretty, and I'm excited to wear these three colors together, and I'm going to do just a nice, simple, maybe a little bit of an ombre nail, and just enjoy the beautiful color combo. So I'm going to go ahead and get started dipping, and we'll just, show the process of how I do this. I think I'm going to be doing the blue Lagoon on these two, Cobalt here and here, sure, yeah, and Neptune here, and then maybe I'll ombre here. I don't know. Let's see where this takes me. Okay, I've got the blue on. I have the green teal. I don't know. I say it looks more green in person. Definitely looks more teal on the camera, but it doesn't really matter because it's so beautiful and bright. And it is going to look so good with that. So I'm going to go ahead and toss this into my Chaos Concepts dipping tray here. And I'm just tapping to kind of flatten flatten it out a little bit. It also brings some of those larger glitters to the top when you do that. So you get a nice kind of coverage of those larger ones on the top to make sure that you get those on the nail when you dip or when you lay in. I'm just gonna go for a full coat here. So you have these ones that like to just not, you know, go flat. They just want to resist what you want them to do. And I am going to show you what I like to do when that happens on the second dip, because I am going to do a second one. But any of these that are kind of sticking up, I am going to pull off. 2 is the max amount of times that I will dip a chunky glitter. I usually try and do some hand placing instead. I'll just hand place some glitters, but I'm just gonna go in for it. Okay, and then you have, or if you have ones that just aren't staying down, I like to just grab that bag that I'm using to press down. Just gonna toss some activator right over the top and then press with the bag over the top of that. It just kind of starts the curing process, and then you press down and make sure it kind of cures flat a little bit better. Alright, and then I'm gonna do a couple dips of clear over the top of this. I got a brand new beautiful jar of clear. I'm not allowed to contaminate this one. I say that now, but it's really difficult. Okay, so I'm gonna use my double dip clear because it is beautifully clear, and make sure all this extra glitter is off before I start. Okay, I'm just gonna activate and file these before I add anything else to any other nails. I just want to have a nice smooth nail to add on top of when I do my ombre design. Okay, I got those filed. I do think I'm gonna do the ombre on this nail, just coming down from the cuticle. So I'm gonna start just by putting a layer of base on the nail. This first layer is going to dry more quickly than I would like for it to in order to do an ombre on it, just because there is activator in the layers underneath. So I'm just gonna put this on, let it dry, and then I'll do the layer for the ombre. Alright, once you feel like you've done enough there, I'm just gonna put some more of the larger pieces covering up here so that there was more coverage in the top part, and then kind of trickled some down a little bit. I'm gonna do a layer of clear over the top of this and then activate and file that. Okay, activate and top coat time. And there you go. And Neptune, seriously, she's so pretty. I love, love, love this glitter. I hope you enjoyed this nice, simple design. Yeah, sometimes I like to just do something simple. And I hope you love these colors together as much as I do. Seriously, it's making me very happy. But yeah, as always, I appreciate you joining me. I will have more time coming up soon. And yes, I do plan on doing some of my more complicated designs when I have that time. But for now, I'm just kind of enjoying being able to knock out some really pretty, easy looks. Yes, thank you for joining me, as always, and I will see you next time.